Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to check removed messages on a messenger. And all I have to do is to locate where my messenger application is. So let's say in the case that we decided to archive this message. In the case that we can't see, you can want to see it, all you have to do is to tap on the key events, and then we're going to tap on archive, and from there, as you can see, the password that I had archived. So I wanted to archive the password. All I have to do is to press on the message or chat that I want to an archive, then I'm going to click on an archive. In the case that you did delete some of the messages by heading over to the setting that you would like to delete. Let's say, for example, I wanted to delete this person's chats. I have to don't press. Then I'm going to tap on delete. And if you want to find the right delete, you will have to head on over to your Facebook application, and then you are going to tap here. Then you're going to tap on the key icon. Then you're going to tap on personal details or here to account center. Then you're going to tap on information on the permission, and you're going to tap on download information. And as you can see, I already downloaded one. I wanted to download so that I can teach you how to download. I'm going to choose the account that I can, and then I'm going to tap on specific types of information. Then I'm going to choose activity messages. Then I'm going to tap on next, and I'm going to tap on download to device, and then we're going to tap on create files, and from there, as you can see, our downloads is being processed, and once it has finished, we're going to tap on download, and it will be in our device, and we are going to be able to see the chats that we had deleted. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.